Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and my love for American Girl dolls has been revived. Mattel came out with so many cute costumes and new dolls, and Tina Reborn's, she went to New York to the American Girl store, and of course Tina's a friend of mine, and we text every day. So of course before and after, and oh wow, nice hair. We were talking about her trip and, you know, AG dolls and etc. So my love for these dolls has been revived. I buy my dolls pre-loved. Yeah, we're going to have to tighten the hips of this one. Arms look okay, but we'll check them when we get in there. I buy my American Girls pre-loved. I like to restore them, fix them up. She looks really good otherwise. I don't see any staining. There's a little place there. No big deal. The hair is amazing. And I'll be doing a video with this girl. One thing I did know is her eyelid is a little messed up, but I'm okay with that. For one thing, they stand on my shelf with their eyes open. But I've never dealt with that, and I'm wondering if I can just paint that a little bit and or put a little sticker or something on there would be cute too. So stay tuned for her restoration. I can't get over this hair. Oh, I was going to tell you, I saw this doll on eBay, and I didn't pay much attention to her. She was on a bid, and the bid was, there's a little something right there. And I'll wash this real good, and there's something here. The bid was really low. She was like, I don't know, $8 or something. So I watched it, and at the last minute I went in and made a bid, and this doll was delivered to my house with shipping and all. Was it $23, I think? Or just, it was less than $25. So I'm very pleased, and boy, this hair, that's amazing. So we're going to have a little fun with her, and we'll get her cleaned up and fixed up and tightened and I've got a Christmas dress up that I bought that I've never put on an American Girl doll. So I think she's going to get that for right now. Boy, oh, look here. She's had her ears pierced by American Girl, Mattel, at the store probably before they bought her, and she's got the little star earrings. Well, there you go. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
She'll be pretty in a Christmas dress.
She will.